What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm just going to show you how I did my hair yesterday, which I just did some wine curls. It's mad easy. There's really nothing to it. I was going to straighten my hair, but I just didn't feel like it, so I decided to go with this route. And this could last long too, because like with my hair get really oily quickly, so my when I straighten it, it normally can like last for like a week and a half, maybe even stretching it 2 weeks without looking oily. But with this, it doesn't really matter if my hair looks oily or not because it has so much bounce and it's very lightweight from just it being blow dried. And from the look that I was going for, my hair is kind of like textured, so it's not like the roots and stuff have to be straight. I like that look. I like natural looks, so it works for me. But just know when you are blowing dry, unless you got like one of those. The blow dryer I have is not even all that, but if you have one of them blow dryers that can kind of blow dry it straight, like really really straight, then you might like it better that way. But either way, this works super easy. It's really nothing to it. So washing, I just washed my hair the day before, and I actually let this sit out for 2 days because I was debating whether or not I was gonna straighten my hair. And then now you just see me putting some oils in here and some heat protectant. So I use an oil heat protectant, and as you can see here, it's that red one. And then I use a spray heat protectant. This spray heat protectant I've been using for a while now, like for years actually. And it has never steered me wrong. It's not too heavy on my hair because like the kind of hair that I have is if I try to put my hair in or too much product in my hair prior to like straightening it, it will be oily from the jump. So this heat protectant is very lightweight for me, and this is just what I'm using. And as you see, I'm just blow drying my hair. This process is not as long when you let it air dry for the like overnight or whatever. In this case I did the 2 days, but if you don't have the type of time, overnight will work too. And then it just, you can see the comb just gliding through. I don't even need another brush, but like I said, I'm looking for that kind of texture look anyway. So here you're just gonna see me blow drying my hair from the root to the bottom. And like I said, it's pretty much easy and self-explanatory, because then right after this I'm not going to add any other product to my hair, but I am going to um, just use the wand curler. And I have my wand curler on 400 too, because that just gives my hair the best. Plus I do really big chunks of hair at the time to wand curl. That way I'm not sitting there the whole time, because arms be hurting and fighting for their life. So and then after this I went to bed. But if I was going out or whatever the case may be, if this was for, for the day, then you could put like a light oil or a light spray just to give it that shine and just to give it a little bit more oil. And then like if I want to keep this up, either I can wand curl it at night, or not wand curl it, roller curl it. The bands, I can't think what it's called right now. I just said it. Oh, the rollers. And then sleep with them, or I can either like put two ponytails or just put a pineapple. It's just all on how you want to preserve the curls. And so yeah, you're just gonna see me here blow drying it. And oh my goodness, I'm getting grays. Like I just passed 30, so grays is insane for the amount that I have. But it is what it is. We're gonna make it work. I'm thinking about dyeing my hair too. I really want to do like a brown. I kind of want to do a brown because I've never really had a brown, just brown by itself. And then no, actually I think I had brown in high school. But I dyed my hair. Funny story, I dyed my hair in high school and I had like 6 different colors because I didn't know what I was doing. And that was so trash, but it worked after like a couple of, probably like a week or so. I got used to it. I just wound up cutting a bang because the front of it was disrespectful. It was like blonde, orange, then brown. It was crazy. But yeah, you just want to see me separate my hair, and then I'm just going to start wand curling. So the rest of this video is pretty much self-explanatory, so it's not really tutorial that I'll have to do or talk about, but it's just mainly like I said, self-explanatory. And I do mine in big chunks just because that's how I like to look to be. If you want them to be tighter, then obviously you could do, you know, smaller ones. But again, just fighting for my life here with my arms. So yeah, so now that I'm done explaining this video, I got a question. So I just be wondering sometimes, like, why if you're a nice person, why do people feel like they could just do whatever to you and that you'll forget what they've done? It'd be like, I know it's the audacity of people, but it really be having me baffled, because it'd be like, I just be looking at people like, yo, I've done X, Y, and Z for you. And I try not to look at stuff like that. I try not to look at people like that, because whatever I do for a person is genuine. But I don't never have to think like that until a person be trying you. And then it be the closest people to you, and you be looking like, yo, I've done X, Y, and Z for you without nothing in return. Like, what makes you think you could play with me like that? Like, I know good people, you know, normally probably, you know, let stuff go or not really even pay too many things attention, because a lot of the times you don't even need all that negative energy around you. But then when you sit sometimes and you think, you be like, people really have the audacity to do something to you or act like they haven't done something to you or act like you've never helped them a day in their life. And as much as the stuff don't make sense, because I'm not the type of person that would do that to someone, it still makes you wonder, like, where do their mind be when they are thinking like this, or when they're trying to come to you about something. So for example, if I do something for somebody, and or if I do a couple things for somebody, no questions asked, nothing, right? Person close to me, whatever the case may be, you know what I'm saying? I rock with you, so I'm gonna help you out in a time of need. But then you turn around and they keep saying, like, they keep asking, and then you might be like, hold on, you asked me a little bit too much. Let me try to pump the brakes on this, because now, you know, you're starting to feel kind of used in a sense. And then you turn around and they get mad that you would put a boundary between you and them. When in all actuality, to me, the boundary is to help our relationship, because if I don't, I'm either going to wind up, you know what I'm saying, coming at you crazy because of whatever whatever I'm giving to you in that moment. Like for instance, if it's money, if you owe me some money, I might have to come crazy back, like, where my money at? Or, you know, it might ruin a relationship. But I don't be understanding. I'll be like looking like, yo, I be helping people, and then you turn around and act like I never helped you. And then if it's a time where I'm in need, oh boy, I better not ask. But I just be wondering, because my mind doesn't go there. So I be baffled, like, why would you want to do somebody wrong that has helped you plenty of times? It's just, I think it's a mental illness in my opinion, but I don't know. That's just, or maybe that's just how life goes. Either way, I think it's something that, like, what do y'all think? What do you think the reasoning is? And then here, you see where I'm just touching like the spots where you can tell they just have a little bit more of a wave. If you took that with that wand curl on 400 like that, if you put it over the top of the wave, it will smooth it out for that moment. So this would really help if you were using this hairstyle to go out right away. But if you're not, then it wouldn't matter. And see here, I probably should have just did a side part, because you see that I'm smoothing it down. But either way, you see how it looks. I mean, it came out cute either way. But I usually like a side part, so I should have just did that from the beginning. But yeah, if you like this video, just like and comment and subscribe to my channel, and comment below to answer my question, because I really want to know what y'all think.